Stop scrolling. If you've ever looked at a trading chart and thought, what the heck do these candles even mean? If you're confused by green and red candles, don't worry, you're not alone. But here's the truth. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how candlesticks work, what they tell you about price action, and how to use them to make smarter, more confident trades. Whether you're trading forex, stocks, or crypto, this guide is for you. Then hurry up, let's like, comment, subscribe, and press the bell. Please read the disclaimer carefully. It's very important before all. What is a candlestick? A candlestick is more than just a shape. It tells the story of price in a specific time frame. Each candlestick shows four key pieces of information. Open, where the price started, close, where it ended, high, the highest price reached, low, the lowest price reached. The body of the candle shows the open and close. The wicks or shadows show the high and low. If the close is higher than the open, the candle is bullish, usually green. If the close is lower than the open, it's bearish, usually red. Simple? Yes, but powerful when used correctly. Now we are going to discuss about basic single candlestick patterns. Let's talk about some of the most important single candlestick patterns. Hammer candlestick. The hammer is a popular bullish reversal candlestick pattern. It often appears at the bottom of a downtrend and signals that the price may be about to rise. How it looks like. Small body near the top of the candle. Long lower wick at least 2 to 3 times the size of the body. Little to no upper wick. It looks like a hammer, small head, and long handle. What it means? The long upper shadow shows that buyers tried to push prices up during the session. However, they couldn't hold those levels and the price closed near the open. Still, it signals that buying interest is emerging and bears are losing control. Example: this image shows the hammer candlestick pattern, a bullish reversal signal. Appears after a downtrend. Hammer has a small body and a long lower wick. Suggests buyers regained control after selling pressure. Inverted hammer candlestick. The inverted hammer is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern that often appears at the bottom of a downtrend. It suggests that buyers are trying to take control, but you'll need confirmation before acting. How it looks like: small real body at the bottom of the candle, long upper wick, at least twice the size of the body, little or no lower wick. It looks like an upside down hammer. What it means: the market opened and then dropped significantly. Buyers stepped in and pushed the price back up near the opening level. This shows strong buying pressure and possible reversal momentum. Example: if a stock has been falling and you see an inverted hammer on the chart, it suggests that a reversal might be near. But it's often more reliable when confirmed by a strong green candle on the next day. Shooting star candlestick. The shooting star is a bearish reversal candlestick pattern that usually appears at the top of an uptrend. It signals that buyers are losing control and sellers may be taking over. How it looks like: small real body at the bottom of the candle, long upper wick, at least 2 to 3 times the size of the body, little or no lower wick. It looks like an inverted hammer, but it forms at the top of a trend. What it means: price opened and moved up sharply, showing buying strength. But sellers stepped in and pushed the price back down near the open. This shift suggests weakening bullish momentum and a potential reversal. Example: shooting star forms after an uptrend. Best used with confirmation next candle is bearish. Signals a bearish reversal is likely. Spinning top candlestick. The spinning top is a neutral candlestick pattern that shows market indecision. It can appear during uptrends, downtrends, or sideways markets, and it warns that the current trend might be losing strength. Bullish spinning top. The bullish spinning top is a neutral to bullish candlestick pattern that shows indecision in the market, but with a slight bias toward buyers. When it forms after a downtrend, it may signal a possible reversal to the upside. What it looks like: a small, real body in the middle of the candle. Upper and lower wicks are long and roughly equal. What it means: buyers and sellers were actively fighting during the session. Price moved up and down significantly, but closed slightly higher than it opened. This shows market uncertainty, but with a hint that buyers are gaining strength. Example: a bullish spinning top forms at a key support level. Next candle is a large green bullish candle. This setup can be a buying opportunity. Bearish spinning top. A bearish spinning top is a candlestick pattern that signals indecision in the market after an uptrend, often suggesting a potential bearish reversal. Key features: small real body, open and close prices are very close, long upper and lower shadows. Price moved both ways but closed near where it opened. Appears after an uptrend. What it means: the market moved both up and down during the session but eventually closed slightly lower than it opened. This shows indecision, but sellers had a slight edge by the close. It often indicates that bullish momentum is weakening. Example: price is rising, uptrend. A bearish spinning top forms at a resistance zone. The next candle is a large red bearish candle. This may be a good time to enter a sell trade or exit long positions. Doji. Open and close are nearly the same. Can have long wicks, upper or lower shadows. Indicates a balance between buyers and sellers. Common doji types: dragonfly doji, gravestone doji, long-legged doji. First, we discuss about dragonfly doji. The dragonfly doji is a powerful candlestick pattern that signals a potential bullish reversal, especially when it appears after a downtrend. How it looks like: the open, high, and close prices are almost the same or very close. It has a long lower wick shadow, no upper wick or just a tiny one. Looks like a T shape. What it means: at one point during the trading session, sellers pushed the price down hard. But by the end of the session, buyers pushed it all the way back up near the opening price. This shows buyer strength and the possibility that the downtrend is losing momentum. Gravestone Doji. The gravestone doji is a candlestick pattern that often signals a potential bearish reversal, especially when it forms after an uptrend. What it looks like: the open, low, and close prices are all at or near the same level. It has a long upper wick and little to no lower wick. It looks like an inverted T. What it means: during the session, buyers push the price up, creating a long upper shadow. But by the end, sellers push the price all the way back down to the opening level. This shows rejection of higher prices and growing seller strength. Long legged doji. The long legged doji is a candlestick pattern that shows extreme market indecision. It can appear during uptrends, downtrends, or sideways markets, and it signals that buyers and sellers are in a strong tug of war. What it looks like? The open and close prices are nearly the same. It has very long upper and lower wicks. The candle looks like a plus sign, plus or a cross with long legs. What it means? During the session, the price moved high and low dramatically, but still closed around where it opened. This tells us neither buyers nor sellers had full control. It's a sign of uncertainty and potential change in market direction, and it was just single candle psychology. There are also multiple candlestick patterns combining two or three candles. To learn about them, please keep your eyes on the next video. Thank you for watching Trading Exploring.